Welcome to Pandaland. My favorite part about Pandaland is all the little tiny details that add up into little tiny stories that make one big giant story about love and community. I love Pandaland.
I originally created Pandaland as a way for kids to enjoy playing outside during the pandemic. But as it evolved, it became so much more than that and created a sensation in my downtown Toronto neighborhood. I'm Martha Davis. I'm a filmmaker, photographer, and retired elementary school teacher.
Pandaland.
Making it count. One spring day, a kid in my after-school program and I discovered a use for 7 little wicker baskets and 7 little plastic pandas. It was irresistible. We brought them outside and put them on a makeshift zip line in a public place between a pole and a tree. It was great to bring the inside outside during the pandemic. In the next few days, I watched as some neighborhood kids were mucking around with it. Then one morning, an anonymous donation. A few days later, there was another and another. Something was happening. People were ready to engage. I started building an environment around the pandas. It evolved and grew as kids came and played within the site. Kids asked for stuff, and that's what I tried to build. When I was a child, the tea room was close to my heart. I remember it as a quiet, serene place. Kids nowadays clearly see it differently.
I'm really enjoying my visit to Pandaland because everywhere you look, there are new details that you notice, and the pandas are getting up to so much fun on their water slides and their zip lines. My children are very much enjoying being here.
I loved attending the tawdry 50s-style cinema in my hometown. I remember my sorrow when the cinema got renovated. You could see a double bill for the price of one, a twofer.
We love Pandaland. We come every night after dinner on a nice walk, and we come and chat with Martha and see what's changed every day. It's been one thing that brings us joy all summer.
These pieces you have here have heart, they have joy, they have whimsy, they have magic, and there's just a touch of political awareness too.
As time went on, concern was growing around the camp for homeless pandas.
I helped build the structure for the pandas that are experiencing homelessness. We used the original tent and built 3 stories. But I guess we've got to make it stronger. There's nothing like a hot glue gun if you want to make something really strong. This should do the trick. Satellite dish. Tent. Panda, please.
A great teaching opportunity had dropped right into my lap. First, there was concern over the lack of housing for the growing panda population. On top of that, kids were asking for a lake. I proudly made the lake first. And hey, the fronds even glowed in the dark.
Toxic waste. It's radioactive. We gotta clean up that dirty lake for the pandas.
And then the federal election was called.
We could do that for the pandas. What? Hold an election? Yeah, why not?
This new information spread swiftly among the neighborhood children. They wanted to do something.
We've got 2 things that are wrong in Pandaland. What can we do?
So that's how the election was born. We interrupt this program to bring you a live report for the Pandaland election. Voter turnout is breaking records. The ballot box seems secure. People seem motivated by the twin issues of the housing crisis and the environment. Just look at the size of this rally. They even made their own signs. Oh, and shield your eyes, earnest documentary alert. Let's hear what the voters are saying.
I voted for housing because pandas need housing to survive.
I voted for cleaning up the lake so if the pandas swallow water, they won't get sick.
I voted for houses because I wanted the pandas who didn't have houses to have houses. If you clean up the toxic lake, you can grow more bamboo to build houses.
It's up to you. Do you mind sharing how you voted?
No, I do not mind. I voted for number 2 because clean lakes lead to bamboo. Bamboo leads to houses. Houses lead to pandas having houses.
So it's a twofer.
Yeah, it's a 2 for 2.
The count results have just come in. And with those results, our man in the field.
In the panda election, 295 people voted. 22 people voted for the amusement park. 104 people voted for housing for homeless pandas. 169 people voted to clean up the lake to grow more bamboo. So the environment won the day.
And now for post-election analysis, Pandaland founder Martha Davis. I think what people learned through the process of the election, and kids learned, was that issues are interconnected and that there's no one right choice, but that things tie together, like the bamboo supporting the housing, so you could get both things done. And I think it was a lighthearted way for kids to grapple with big issues. The electorate had spoken, and because of the way they voted, they got to do both. A twofer. But I needed to ensure that their vote counted. I wanted them to feel viscerally that change could happen. So a week after the Panda election, I invited a bunch of kids to attend an event.
Anybody who wants to help clean the lake can come with me.
I'll help.
So you take one end, Rosie, I'll take the other.
I'll take this one.
I'm gonna lift the lake up and out of the installation completely. And we're gonna watch out for the dominoes. Right out.
Clean, clean, clean the lake, the toxic waste must go. Pandas need to have clean water and bamboo must grow. Clean, clean, clean the lake, the toxic waste must go. Pandas need to have clean water and bamboo must grow.
Let's see what you got there. Look at this house. Wow, guys.
For you for the pandas.
Oh, wow.
It's a birthday house.
Oh, wow. Oh, how adorable. Wow. Yeah.
Oh,
The colors of the panda, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh, Ike, that's so beautiful.
Homeless pandas, you were few, then you grew. We have built some housing, beautiful new housing, just for you, just for you. Homeless pandas, you were few, then you grew. We have built some housing, beautiful new housing, just for you, just for you.
the neighborhood, and we've been watching Pandaland develop and grow over the past months, and we love it here. We love coming by and seeing what's new and exploring Pandaland and seeing all the details. What about you? What did you like about Pandaland?
I like roller coasters.
You like the roller coaster? You like learning about, what did we do? Did we vote a little while ago at Pandaland? We learned about voting. And you've learned that if you vote, sometimes change happens, and we watch the change happen.
So here we are. It's the day after the federal election. It's the equinox, the fall equinox, and we're finishing up Pandaland today. I'm taking it all in. We're expecting a giant rainstorm tomorrow. I don't think I can clean up after any more storms. Anyway, I think the denizens of Pandaland fared better than we will in the federal election. They got their housing complete over there, and they got their environment cleaned up. Here we go. The zip line's down. The deed is done. Pandaland is over.
For now.
For now. Oh my. I'm very proud of all the kids who participated in Pandaland this summer. By getting involved and acting, kids made change happen and made their vote count. Pandaland should be gone from here, but join me. There was surprise and sorrow in the neighborhood when Pandaland came down. I too had a hard time letting go. And so, backed by popular demand, Pandaland lives on in my front garden. Here she is.
I like that so many people wanted to care about little pandas, even though they're not real ones.